guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dumebi. So today's video is a natural hair video. I'm going to show you guys how I do my natural hair wash day routine. Yes, it's been a long time coming. I'm so excited that finally I'm actually filming this video for you guys. So I just took out a protective hairstyle and my hair right now is in need of a TLC. So my natural hair wash day routine consists of 4 stages. The first stage is the pre-poo stage. The second stage is the actual washing of the hair. The third stage is the deep conditioning, and the fourth stage is the styling. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually not going to be pre-pooing because I couldn't get a head start and I'm kind of like pressed for time and all that. I'm going to make like another video for you guys, showing you guys how I pre-poo my hair, especially because the pre-poo has to be done like an hour or 2, or sometimes I even do it overnight before the day I do my wash day, so which is why I kind of just skipped it. But pre-pooing is very good for hair breakage and dryness. If your hair is breaking and dry, you could benefit from doing a pre-poo, but that's like a story for another day, another video. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair, how I deep condition, and how I style my hair. So first off, I'm going to be washing the hair, and if you're going to wash your hair, make sure you use warm water as opposed to using room temperature or cold water. Warm water is always best because the warm water will allow the pores on your scalp to open up, so that whatever you put after that really sinks in, and basically that's the whole concept of deep conditioning and all whatnot, right? I mean, for everything to penetrate and work for your hair. So yes, so warm water is best to get everything really opened up. And then it's also nice for natural hair for you to use black soap to wash your hair. Don't use the regular shampoo. We do natural, guys. So black soap is best for your natural hair. They have different types of black soap. They have some that even come in liquid form, but I personally use this one right here. It's a black soap and it's a bar of soap. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. This is actually called the Dumebi Tropical Naturals Black Soap. So let me show you guys what it looks like straight out of the pack. Okay. So yeah, it comes like this. There are different types of black soap, but this is the one that I use. Very nice. And it works for my hair. So let's just get right into the video where I show you guys how I wash my hair. Guys, now I'm done washing my hair. The hair is plain, and take note that you shouldn't dry your hair with a towel because the towel is going to take out all the moisture that your hair needs. So it's better you just use like a cotton t-shirt, maybe an old one or a dirty one, to just take out, to basically remove the excess water, because we still need the hair to be damp for our next step. The next step is going to be our deep conditioning, and I'm going to show you guys all the products I use to deep condition my hair. So for the deep conditioning, I'm going to be using a mixture of several things. I'm going to be using a mayonnaise. I'm using this one. It's a regular mayonnaise, the edible one that you eat. Yeah, if you don't have a hair mayonnaise, you could use this. And mind you guys, there are actual deep conditioning products that you could just get like in a bottle, just in case you feel like this is too stressful, making your own deep conditioner. But I actually like to make mine. So I use the regular mayonnaise, or you could use hair mayonnaise, but it works the same. So I'm going to be using this mayonnaise. This is the Bama mayonnaise. Then I'd also be using my Jamaican black castor oil. This one is by Kuza Naturals by Debico. Then I'm also going to be using my coconut oil. This is coconut oil. This is So Real 100% virgin coconut oil. Then I'll also be using some honey. This is, I don't know, it's unbranded, but it's really good stuff. I've been using it for a while. So this is honey, and I'm going to be using 2 eggs also to make this mixture. So let me show you guys how I make my decoction. So now my deep conditioner is ready. This is what the consistency looks like. It's very creamy. And everything that I used in making my deep conditioner has its own purpose. The mayonnaise and the egg is serves like a protein treatment for my hair. The honey is going to be adding moisture to my hair because my hair right now is very dry and brittle, so the honey will add moisture back to my hair. Yes. And the castor oil and coconut oil is going to strengthen my hair and prevent breakage. Breakage seriously is one of my major concerns when it comes to my natural hair. So the castor oil and the coconut oil is going to prevent breakage and strengthen my hair. So I'm just going to go right into showing you guys how I apply this deep conditioner to my hair. I'm going to start off by combing my hair because I don't want any knots. I want to detangle with a wide tooth comb. So now that I'm done detangling my hair, I'm just going to be dividing my hair into 4 sections so that I can walk with them easily. I'll make use of my sectioning plate to just put the section away. I'll put each section of hair away. This one. So now that I've sectioned my hair, I left this one because I'm going to start working on this one first of all. So to do that, I'm just going to detangle once more, and then I'll begin to apply my deep conditioner in smaller sections. So to this section, I'll just apply my deep conditioner. Right now that I'm done with applying the deep conditioner all over the hair, and I twisted them down, just trying to twist to make it easier for me so it doesn't drip all over my face because it can get really messy. So now that I'm done with this stage, I'm just going to be taking this plastic shower cap and placing it. Just going to use this to place on my hair. Getting ready to deep condition my hair right now. Rather, to steam my hair right now with my steaming cap. So this is what it looks like. Now that everything is done and I have my hair in this plastic shower cap, I'm now going to be using my steaming cap to steam my hair. And I'm going to be, I'll have this cap on for 30 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer, and so I'm going to be turning it on right now. And I'll put it on high. So right now it's on, and I'll have this on for 30 minutes. So guys, now it's 30 minutes finally, and I get to take this off. This is what it looks like. It's really messy, so it's time to wash it off, and when I wash it off, I'm going to be using a regular conditioner. This is Petals Instant Hair Conditioner. I'm going to condition my hair again. Yes, the hair has to be properly conditioned, guys. So let me show you guys how I wash the hair. So now that I'm done washing my hair, I used another old t-shirt of mine to just dab out the excess water. As you can see, there's still some moisture in my hair. I didn't take out a lot of the water. So now it's time for me to style my hair. And to style my hair, I'm going to be using the LOC method. LOC is liquid, oil, and cream. So of course there's already moisture in my hair, so I'm going to move over to oils. And for my oils, I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil and my coconut oil. And for my cream, I'm going to be using some shea butter. My shea butter is actually almost finished, but let me show you guys. This is my shea butter. I'm going to be using my shea butter, and I'll also be using the virgin hair fertilizer and another cream again, which is Hair Wonder. This one is very good for hair growth, especially for my edges, because my edges is a constant battle, sincerely. Then I'm also going to be using my leave-in conditioner. This is my leave-in conditioner, the Air Naturals leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply this first before the oils and the cream. So, but before I do that, I'm going to finger detangle my hair, and then I will use my comb again to actually detangle it further. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but my curls are really popping, like, and the hair feels softer and more hydrated. So guys, this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So tomorrow when I'm ready to go out, I'll just loosen the braids and I'll have that braid out effect and I can style it and I'm good to go. So I advise actually that you pick a day when you're less busy, probably a day you're going to be home all day to do your natural hair wash day, because it takes a lot of time. This whole process took me about 3 to 4 hours, so you can imagine. Well, basically we do it for the love of the hair. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'm going to give you guys more natural hair related videos because I realized that some people actually requested it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also share. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Watch my other videos, comment and all that. I like to read you guys' comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.